Hey everyone, in today's video, we'll look how to bring legacy asset into the SAP system, which means the asset that were purchased before SAP go live. We'll go step by step through how to create the legacy asset master data using AS91, enter takeover values and post them correctly into the asset accounting. This process is key during SAP implementation or SAP migration to ensure opening balances and depreciation are accurate from day one. So let's dive in. Before doing that, let's just create a scenario where we will be procuring the asset which were purchased in the legacy system in previous year. Our current year is in SAP system is 2025, and the asset which I'm going to procure is not procured in 2025 fiscal year. It's procured in 2024 fiscal year. So, for example, I procured it on 1st April 2025, and my acquisition cost was 1 lakh. Okay, so this is acquisition production cost, that is APC value, 1st April 2025. So this asset was procured on this date in the legacy system. But since we are going live on 1st October, as per the example which I am going to create, so we will see what will be the value which should enter into the SAP system. And my useful life is going to be so as per the example, the asset is going to procure on 2024 fiscal year. Okay. And what will be the value? 1 lakh. And this is the acquisition production cost value. 10 years is going to be the useful life. And my go live date is going to be 1st October 2025. Let's see depreciation till 31st March 2025. So let's calculate per year depreciation. 10,000 is the depreciation per year. Okay, that is going to be the accumulated depreciation value. Okay, and I have to also calculate the depreciation from 1st April 2025 to 30 September 2025. So how many months are there from April 1st to 30 September? 6 months. Okay, so I have to also calculate the depreciation for 6 months. My 10,000 was per year depreciation, and if I want per month depreciation, so divided by 12 and multiply by 6, that is 6 months. So 5,000 will be the depreciation for my current year, that is starting from 1st April 2025 till 30 September 2025. So that is going to be the example. Let's just write it down in the clear form. 1 lakh APC value and 10,000 is depreciation, accumulated depreciation. Okay, and 5,000, and this is for 2024 fiscal year, that is April to March. April to March. And this is for April to 2025, and this is for April to September. Yes. So that is going to be the calculation. So my net book value of this asset as per 2025 31st March will be this minus this. 90,000 is going to be my net book value. So this 5,000 will show as current year depreciation. Okay. So let's just dive into the system now. First, let me just show you my go live date. The transaction is FAA underscore CMP, press enter. Locate your company code. My company code is ONEV. Go to legacy data transfer tab. And my transfer date is 1st October 2025. And the legacy data transfer status is going to be ongoing, other posting allowed. Meaning I can post the legacy data and other posting also, like acquiring asset from maybe F-90 or depreciation. And ongoing, if you select this status, then it means you cannot do other transaction other than legacy data upload. If in preparation is there, then you cannot do legacy data transfer activity. So this is the purpose of this status. And make sure if you have changed the status from in preparation to ongoing, ongoing to other posting allowed, then there is no going back to the previous one step. So make sure whenever you change the status, you have completed all the activities which are relevant as per the status. Moving on, document type. Make sure you select the document type UE so that your legacy data uploads will have is UE document type so you can find out the legacy postings. Okay. And also make sure you have this configuration on for the document posting, that is general ledger assignment. Go to asset accounting, asset data transfer. Specify offsetting account for legacy data transfer. So make sure your setting is there. So make sure this GL, opening balance GL, is assigned to your chart of account. So my chart of account is ONE0 and I have assigned this GL. And also make sure this GL FS00, make sure this GL, make sure this GL should not have the open item management tick on. That is the requirement. So we have fulfilled all the requirement to perform the legacy data transfer. Let's just create the asset master for legacy asset which is procured before the current year of go live. Go to AS91 T code, select the asset class. So my asset is going to be maybe vehicle. You can just enter any name as per the scenario or enter the capitalization date. So my date is going to be 2024 and April 1st. So this is the date which I have selected in here in the APC value. So that is here same. Press enter, go to time dependent data, select the relevant cost center. So I have selected this as an example and go to depreciation area and make sure your useful life is as per your requirement. So my useful life as per my example is 10 year and depreciation start date is also same 1st April 2024 and this expired useful life. My current year is 2025, so my 1 year is already expired, so that's why expired useful life 1 is coming here. And I have multiple depreciation. This one is leading and this one is non-leading. And as per those leading and non-leading ledger, these are USD currency depreciation areas. So that's why 4 depreciation are coming. Let's save it. So the asset is created. Let's just put it in the Excel. So asset master data is created. Steps, let me just write down AS91. Now go to ABLDT. So this transaction ABLDT will be used for the asset which are procured before the current year of your go live date. So as per my example, this asset is procured before the current year, previous year acquisition. So that's why I'm using ABLDT transaction. Else for current year, there is another process which we will be covering in the next video. For now, we are covering only the asset which are procured in the previous year. So first I have created this asset master data from AS91 and I am going to perform the takeover value for these transactions in ABLDT transaction. So let's just do it. Go to ABLDT transaction, enter the company code, ONEV is my company code, and the asset master data. Asset master data is this. So this is the screen which will come. So As you can see, there are 4 depreciation area. This is leading and this is non-leading, and these are for currencies USD. That is for leading. 30 is for leading USD currency and 31 is for non-leading USD currency. Now, as per the example, 1 lakh is our APC value. So in acquisition value, your value will come 1 lakh. 1 lakh here as well. 1 lakh. 1 lakh. Now we have write it down the 1 lakh APC value. Now coming to accumulated depreciation value, that is 10,000. 10,000 will come here. 10,000, 10,000, 10,000, 10,000. So value is put here for accumulated depreciation. Now coming to this depreciation, that is for current year starting from April to September, 5,000. So this will come here in ordinary depreciation posted. Write it down, 5,000, 5,000, 5,000, and again 5,000. So this is how you will put the values. Now, when all values are entered, just go to simulate. So the document will be here. As you can see, this is the APC value and this is the accumulated depreciation value, which is minus. And this is debiting 1 lakh. And asset opening balance is coming to 90,000. And this is coming for depreciation GL, 5,000 minus. And this is again getting debited with the asset opening balance. So ultimately the balance is coming 0. You can check also if there is an error or not. No. And you can see this is posting at UE document type. Posting period is 1st October 2025. And yes, now coming back, all are good, then you can post it. 2 documents are coming. One is for India's accounting principle and one is for US GAAP. Okay, now go to AW01 and Asset Explorer to check the values in the asset. So APC transaction is 1 lakh and ordinary depreciation was 10 lakh. And this 5,000 was the depreciation which is for current year, and this is for ordinary depreciation that is for accumulated 2024 fiscal year. So this is how it posted, and when you go to posted value, you can see the depreciation till September is already posted 5,000 and rest is here, split it into further periods. So that's how you post the legacy asset.